The war between Armenia and Azerbaijan, which has seen extensive use of drones by Azerbaijan, has changed the perspective of drones in military warfare. India, which is facing threat from China, is in dire need of combat and surveillance drones to thwart any misadventures along its borders. The Chinese state media had also claimed earlier that Indian army will not be able to parry an attack by large number of armed drones. At the same time, China is arming Pakistan with 50 Wing Lung 2 armed drones, which is prophesied would be a nightmare for Indian army in high altitude areas, as India's military does not have the ability to respond to the new age standoff weapons. It is the need of hour that India must have the latest fleet of high-tech surveillance and attack drones in its inventory. India's quest to acquire high-end drones for military operations might come to an end, as Ministry of Defence and Indian Air Force have announced a new IDEX, or Innovation for Defence Excellence project, which is an ultra-high altitude Indian-made drone called Infinity. HAL has gained significant success in developing a solar-powered drone called Infinity. The unmanned drone warfare program is called CATS, or Combined Air Teaming System. HAL is developing this drone in partnership with Bangalore-based New Space Research and Technologies. The project was first revealed in 2017, and since then it has made significant progress over the last few years, and the drone could be available to Indian Armed Forces in 3 to 5 years. Infinity will be capable of remaining in air for over 90 days and cruise at an altitude of more than 65,000 feet to monitor enemy targets. It is designed to be in the class of Zephyr Solar Electric Stratosphere Unmanned Aerial System. The drone is being developed as a part of India's Combat Teaming System, or CATS, will also be able to relay live video to ground stations during the operations. The Infinity drone will have an array of solar cells to power it. Secondary batteries will get charged in daylight to power over night flights. The new drone will be equipped with a synthetic aperture radar for monitoring activity deep inside the enemy territory. Using its advanced sensors, the drone will be able to coordinate with other Indian drone systems such as Warrior, Loyal Wingman drones, Alpha S, Swan drones, and Hunter missile. Apart from military use, the drone can also use its infrared and imaging payload to provide services towards disaster management, smart cities, and natural resource management. The development of Infinity is internally funded by HAL. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind, friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.